The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Tuesday morning. Guys, we're back at it. Today is Tuesday, last day of May 31st. Chad, Gerardo, Dan, Dominic, Rob. Guys, good morning, good morning. Very good morning to you. Thank you, Scott. Nick, good morning. Big up Friday, big up yesterday on obvious low volume. U.S. markets closed yesterday. Today we're down a smidge, whatever a smidge is. We're down a smidge. In any event, we are back at it. Bots have been fairly active this morning and winning on a consistent basis. If anybody, Joe, good morning. If anybody is or has been, Greg as well. If anybody's been running bots, you guys should be done. Let me do this. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. And then we'll go over some charts and we'll see what we see. Congratulations to the, I got to find it, guys, to the 64 of you that have gotten funded in the last 2 weeks. I know we have a number that are also close. So if anybody gets funded this morning or today, whatever the case may be, just let me know. But I want to get us to 100. 100. Let's see here, fellas. I got to find the disclaimer. Good morning, Rad. Very good morning to you. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. All right, guys. I gave you 52. How about that for 20 handles? Anybody taking NASDAQ? YM missed the short. Okay, Dirk. Okay, Scott. They're piling on it now. Coming down, fellas. Coming down. Coming down. Yes, also coming down. Just broke that support, both supports. Looks like, let me see, ES. We're at the day low. ES, NASDAQ's going to roll too. Now, here's the thing. From an order flow standpoint, I like the shorts, right? On the bot, I hate these humongous candles. YM missed by a candle for me. If your YM may have taken a trade, it was a good trade. ES still selling, NASDAQ still selling. We're back into the lows. Here comes the low of the day at a bust. 578. Anybody that took the 54 short, you love life. You love life. Those of you guys that did not, patience. Yes, sir, Harold. I'm watching, guys. I'd like to see a pullback if it's going to short. I mean, it's going to short on this candle. The target is 78. That's the problem. You're going to short right into what I see as the target. ES would have shorted. NASDAQ has not shorted yet. All right. I'm going to turn ES spot on because it can only take a long now. It got target. NASDAQ should get target as well, I would think. We traded right to 78. Now, if we can break that 78, all right, so the NASDAQ is pulling back enough so that I think if this short fires, it's a good short. My bot's on. NASDAQ bot is on. It's on. I'll kill it quick, though, if it doesn't just drop. Son of a gun. Oh, crap. I got 5 on, fellas. Buyers. Wants to go higher. Look at this fucker. Doesn't close. Wants to go higher. God damn this stupid thing. It's trying to come down. It's holding. It's wanting to get to that 78. Now it's breaking. Went right into the trail stop. Come on, breakdown. It's holding that 78. A break of 78, and it's going to get pummeled. If 78 goes, there it goes. Come on, get below 78 and come on down. There it goes. There it goes. Now it gets hit. Come on. Come on. It's below. It's got to stay below 78. They're selling them hard. 60 is the next area of support. Below 60, we come 48. It's back above 78. That's the fight, 78. Excuse me. They got them. Sellers have them. Come on. Broke 60. Should get to 48 next. 48 next. Come on, don't bounce. Give me sellers. Come on, sellers. Nice job, Dennis. Goal hit for the day. Don't forget to send me totals, guys. All right, Gary. Got another funded trader. Another funded. That's 2 today. And Marco's got another one. Nice job, fellas. Nice job. ES 4095 is probably where we're coming on ES now. 4095. I did kill it, Paul, on the bot. I'm not sure where you're confused. There was an order flow trade in there from 54, which is up 100 handles. I think we're coming down across the board. Yeah, the order flow trade was long before the bot trade. I'm always leery. First off, I'm always leery on big candle moves because we usually get. All right, Gary, another funded trader. Not to mention, I had 5 contracts on it. It was set at 5, not 2. If I had 2, I'd have left it. Another funded trader. That's 4 today, fellas. Here comes my 530 target if anybody paid attention in pre-market. 530. I gave you guys that target in pre-market. They're selling them hard right here. No bounce yet. There's no bounce. Everything's selling. Russell, YM. Next target down, 485. If you guys are short, 485. I don't know why you would step away at the opening of the market, Don. But the answer is yes. With the exception of crude. I don't have crude on. Chris, I think we're going to see 485. I mean, you're up 100 and how many handles? 107 handles. Nice. You have another one, Marco? Is that 2 today? Nice job, Carl. Hit your daily goal, man. Nice job. All right, Marco's got 2, fellas. 2 today. 2. Two funded accounts today. Nice job, Marco. We'll get a bounce eventually. We're at almost 5,000 net sellers. Still have further to come down on the downside, guys. Got a few hundred buyers in this 3-minute bar, but it's nothing. It's nothing. Nice job, Marco. We might get a Chicago PMI was a beat. Chicago PMI was a beat. There's a stack buyer imbalance long. Target one filled. Target one and target two filled. Stack buyer imbalance. We're going up. Going up. Here's your news. PMI, big beat. We're going up. I do not have gold bought on. No. Or crude. Only because I'm watching the indices. There it is. There's the chart I want. I turned on, here, I'm turning on the Russell on the originals. You guys will notice I got this down to 199 bucks from 1,500. Got a 135 seller that showed up here with some small blocks. I do have YM, NASDAQ, and ES spots on along with Russell on the originals. At 78, which was support on the way down, is now resistance on the way up. NASDAQ resistance 41.25, support now at 40.95. We're in the middle of nowhere. That's about our resistance right in there. We'll get an up move, guys. Let's see here. Okay. Auto Trader, 10 contracts at the open, $790. I clicked buy and sell stack at about 2 seconds before the open. The long trade fired first, and then I turned it off, so the short stack order would not fire. One Apex Eval account done for the day. Nice job, Chuck. Nice job. Nice job, fellas. Thank you, Patrick. Got an 80 buyer here. I mean, it's not huge, but I think we're going to go up. I don't have it yet. Got buyers. They bought a few more, 83 at 48 has. ES is starting to get a bid. I think you've got a long in the ES with a stop at 05 with a target at 24. YM turning up. Just make sure all these things have 2 contracts on them. Russell not turning up yet. Bought a few more here at 48.50. More. They're buying 48.50. There's no real blocks, but they're buying 48 half. Let me see what we got left in the candle. 3 minutes. NASDAQ gets above 71. We still have to deal with that damn 78. I still think the path of least resistance is going to be lower. There's no hurry, guys. Just wait for a setup. There's no hurry. They're buying a few here. They're buying 48.50. I'm not sure why. There's no blocks with it. Let me look at the ES. $54 and $80 of 50. There's no size yet in the ES. Let them come down. They want to come to 4. It wants to come to 485. Let it come. 485. Maybe 481 on the NASDAQ. 481. We got down to 4,300 net sell. 4,250 actually. We're back up to 47 and change. YM is consolidating a little. I'm sorry, the ES is consolidating a little nicer. No block buys yet of any size. Russell is not turned up. I have the original bot on the Russell RTY. Here's ES. If you come through this swing, I'll like it a whole lot more. YM doing absolutely nothing, but it is turning up. If YM can get back above 885, I think she goes. And that's about where this thing would fire a trade. Got a block 179 contract buyer at 114.5. Small sellers in here. It looks like they're clearing shorts out. I gave you guys the ES trade. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. They're still buying them. Stack buyers. They did not buy 43 again. Come on, turn up, baby. 22 block seller. Guys, there are no trades. I don't have an order flow trade, nothing. Looks like this may hold for a while. All right, buyers coming in again. All right, I'm going to try a stack buyer long. Really need to get above 68 and we hit 78 again. Jeez. All right, I hit the stack buyer and balance long. I'm long on the stack buyer. Target one filled. Oh, missed target two by a freaking tick. I've gone break even, out at break even. And this, there it goes. Out at break even. But I like the long here. ES is squeezing higher. 21 is your target if you're long. Nice job, Mark. 21 is a target. Deepak using the auto execute met his target. Daily goal. More buyers. Back down to 4,300 net sellers. We're struggling at 78. If we can get a 15-minute bar to close above 78, I think we start working higher. But until we do, let me look at 240s. I mean, we're still good on 240s. YM is wedged between its 21-day moving average and its 21 period. Deepak. He said the auto execute is like driving an automatic transmission versus a manual. Gold is useless. Just up and down in small, 4-hour range. NASDAQ on the 240 still, to me, looks like it wants 468. Small time frame, looks like it wants to push up. We have some news here at 10. May Consumer Confidence Index, 103.8. Just waiting on this news. It's a beat. It's a beat. ES hit that 21 target. Yep. Guys, I really have nothing. Crude, nothing. I still really have nothing. I'm stacked seller and balance short, but wasn't paying attention. If we break 520, we come 507, 502, and then 481 on the NASDAQ. We're shorts, guys. We're shorts. We're going to break it. Looks like we're coming to 481. Below 445, we're going to break 400. We're just chopping in the lower end of the range. We're down. Yes, it is, Deepak. No question. Gold short worked. YM looks like it's trying to turn up. What do we got left for this candle? 2 minutes. Thank you, Deepak. But in fairness, I can't take credit for it. I can't program. Joel's the programmer. Well, that's true. Guys, I'm perfectly content to let this thing chop out until it gives me a trade. Just to recap, this account was down 1,500. I'm now up $1. You know, we're consolidating down here. My sense is we're going to break lower again, but let them break. Bots can't take any trades. They're all in shorts. So all we have is order flow trades, and I don't sell bottoms. Even though I would bet my bottom dollar we're coming 481. I don't know what that even means, Harold. I have no idea what you're asking me. What is a rhythmic dashboard? Nice job, Paul. One tick higher low, one seller on the bottom. I don't even look at that till the end of the day. Status of my accounts. It was a beat, Harold. I'm sorry, Albert. Yeah, I don't even look at it, Harold, until the end of the day. When I'm done trading, I look at it and I update. I have a list of all of my accounts and I update them when I'm done, so I know where I'm at tomorrow. But I don't look at it from trade to trade. I don't even have it open. We're at value area low on the ES. You'll get another rip below with stacked sellers. But I don't sell bottoms, guys. So until this thing bounces, I would need a bounce up near 560 to want to short it. I have no trades until I get a long. See, below the low, we got stacked sellers again. Guys, give me 1 minute. My targets are dynamite, fellas. If we break below 12,440, maybe 445, we come 395. This gets, you took 81 to, you took it to 81. Nice job, Dominic. This gets blitzed. I said recently how much I hate trend days. Let's see. One of the many positive things I can say about this room is even when you're down, most, if not always, we end up green. Yeah, we do, man. Especially if you listen to order flow trades. Amen, Paul. It's rare we have losing. I mean, we have losing days, and you know, I'm never going to be 100%, but it's rare that we do. I am not selling bottoms, guys. So sit tight until we get a bounce back up. You know, either for a long or a short, but we keep putting in new lows, so we haven't found a bottom yet. ES is probably headed to 40.95. Again, on the 240, we're basically holding the 21. I would expect this to be some kind of support. Nice job, Robert. You're welcome, Melody. Gold bounced off its 100 period at 240, 100 moving average. Bounced up about $3. YM is fading the 21. NASDAQ is trying to hold the 21. This is on 240 minutes now. Still can't get anything going. My guess is we may trade down in the lower end of the range until we get out of Europe, and then they'll want to stick it to the Europeans and let them hold the bag overnight. Give them that real nice sense of anxiety till tomorrow. I mean, I can't even get on a 1 minute. I can't even get a 1 minute to turn up yet. A 1 minute. It's trying here. Come on, man. Give me a freaking bounce. Something. We're trying to hold the 21 on the 4 hour, guys. I'm wanting to try a stacked and balanced long down here, but I can't yet. And now I want it. Now I want it. Stacked and balanced long. Come on. No, you scumbag. Push. Push. Come on. Go get first target. Come on. Target one filled. Let me go to break even. I'm at break even. Target two filled. Stacked and balanced long. All right, not bad. From down 1,500 to up 516. I'll take it. Here we go. Here's our push. Here's our push. You guys see how the stacked imbalance works, fellas? I'm telling you when I'm turning it on. So if you guys have it, is anybody following me? Guys? Anybody following? Okay, Lee. No, my bot's shut off. This account is shut off. I like the trades. I mean, I hit my daily goal, is what I'm saying on this account. Nice job, Peter. I got to change account. I have to change accounts. Man, I hate these back and forth days. Let me see what account I want to trade. All right, let me go to another account. That one's up. This is the account I traded last night. It's up $500 from last night, so I can't trade that. Let me go to check another one. Hang on, guys. All right, that's at zero. I've got an account I can trade. So hang on. Here goes your YM. You should get targets, fellas. I have to reset all my accounts, guys, so there's nothing I can do yet. Okay, that's on. Reload. Reload. We have some news here. May Dallas Feds, not earth shattering. All right, fellas. Charlie, I just gave it to you, man. I just gave it to you. Sure, John. Do you have the Unirenko? John? Right click, go to data series on your chart. Go to data series. Got it? Tell me when you have data series up. Okay. In the drop-down menu, all the way at the bottom, it's alphabetical. Look for Unirenko. Click on Unirenko. Here comes your YM, guys. I have my bots on again. And then it's 10-4-20 in that order. You're welcome. Whoops. Damn it. That's $1,000 trade. I like all of them long. Yes, I like ES long. I like NASDAQ on the bot. YM has gotten both targets. Nice job, Shannon. Nice job. Rich, nice job. You're welcome. Two accounts, Arjan, both up 500 today. The guys, listen, I'll say this again very slowly. I have no more accounts to trade. I have 4 that are funded. I have 3 that have all traded in excess now of 500 each. I have no accounts to trade. I like the longs on the ES as well as the freaking NASDAQ. I can't take them. I have no accounts. Unless I increase the daily goal. Here, I'll tell you what. You guys sit tight. 2 minutes. I'll go buy an account right now. Sit tight. Come on, NASDAQ, give me some freaking momentum here. Still doesn't want to go. We're just sitting here, guys. Right at yellow. Here's your resistance, 602. Above 602, it goes. This is right here, 602. Come on, get away from this freaking mess. Let's go. Small buyers in here. ES putzing around this 25 level again. And that it's still, it will not connect. It will not connect. I cannot get Apex to connect. So this is your long right here above that. There it is. There's your long. That's your long. Your stop is 75. So it's a big stop. It's 25 handles. It's not enormous, but it's not a 3 contract stop. You know. But this is the area that's got to break, fellas. Once we get cleanly above this area, I've never had to do that before, Barbara. And I didn't do it today when I logged in. But when we're done with the room, I'll, log in. This is the area, guys. If we break up here, 660 is, you can take targets along the way. So we have to get through here. The next area we really have to break through is 23. 23. $34 is a good target as well, VWAP. I gave you the trade, fellas. As always, trade them as you see fit. but I gave you the trade. You got 15 handles in it, $300 a contract. Trade them as you see fit. But I believe we go higher. We just have to break right here, 21.22. This is the next area that's got to break. Right there. I think we go to 60. And we're right back to this, right where we broke from. All right, let me do this. If you ain't taking order flow trades, you're foolish. There's London highs. Now, what do we need? Order flow guys, tell me, what do we need? Candle close above VWAP, and we go ski. I mean, we go ski. Trade them as you see fit, fellas. Nice job, Charlie. New funded accounts today. Johan. More funded traders, fellas. I mean, this is just. Nice job, fellas. More funded traders. Just give me that close above VWAP. Who's long, fellas? Who's long? Yeah, this is a place to take a target. This is a place to take a target, right? VWAP. We have a strong negative delta still, 3,000 cars. If we get a candle close above VWAP, they're going to run this bitch like nobody's business. You're going to get 50 to 60. So this is a place to take some risk off. We expect a failure at VWAP with a negative delta, right? Sellers are trying again. I'm still holding one. I'm holding one in my cash account, guys. I don't have an Apex account to trade. I can't even connect to Apex. Here we go. Here we go. Candle close above VWAP. Bulls got him. Bulls got him. Bulls got him. Come on, baby. I'm taking another one at 50. Come on, baby. Bulls got him. Stay up on VWAP. Let's go. Come on, one more. One more push. Let's go, Oompa Loompa. Yeah, I wanted 50. Come on. And then 60. Down to 27, 2,800 on the negative delta. I don't like this back below VWAP. Shoot. Come on, get back above there. Come on, buyers. Losing buyers. Buyers coming back in. 90, 104. Buyers are trying again, guys. Buyers are trying again. We should squeeze, but trade them as you see fit. Thank you, Albert. Is everybody good, fellas? I still think we're going to get 50. Got to get back above VWAP. ES traded back up to 35. Next target up is 42, value area high. Nice job, Harold. Good job, man. Don't forget to send me your totals. Guys, is everybody good today? Everybody make money? What do we have today? 5 or 6 funded traders. We have 6 today. You're welcome, Ron. Anybody close to getting funded? Anybody close to being funded? $10 away, Chad? Oh, come on. I gotta get you $10. I gotta get you $10. Ron's $110 away. Eddie's 500 away. Chad's $10 away. Longs. We're pushing up. Come on, push. There we go. What do you mean? Once you're funded, what's next? Once you're funded, you're funded. What do you mean? Watch the video. I did a video Saturday. It's in the education. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Get above VWAP. Come on, NASDAQ. Failed VWAP again. You are a stupid dog. Seriously. I have no idea, Ron. You'll have to read the rules. I've never concerned myself with that. Don't know. Guys, I'm the first to tell you, I am not an expert on Apex or their policies. I understand generally what we need to do and how we stay funded. But I don't know about deducting commission. I don't know about any of that, nor do I care. I look at my totals every day, and I look at what my trailing draw is every day. I write that down on a piece of paper and update it every session. So I know where I'm at every trade day. How it works, I don't know. I'm assuming the number they give us is a net number. They deduct it automatically. They take commissions, Paul said. Paul's our resident expert. ES is trying. NASDAQ is trying. Come on, get above VWAP. Let's go. We're consolidating just below VWAP. Still with this BS just below VWAP. Once it gets above VWAP, I think we go. And I think we trade 750 today. All right, Ron is funded, baby. And yet another funded trader. Nice job, Ron. Another funded trader, guys. 7 today. That's 71 in 2 weeks for those of you keeping score at home. 71 funded traders in 2 weeks. And we got a bunch more close. See you tomorrow. Buy Side Global, they have 1 funded trader total. They're the man. I mean, you got to be the man to get 1. Nice job, Jeff. We have another 1 funded today. I mean, you could get 1 funded trader just by accident. Seriously, on accident. That's your third? Jeff? Yes, 3. Third. Bam! 8. 8. Bam, bam, a llama. That's what I'm talking. Okay, you got. Hey guys, when you send me your totals, make sure that I understand them. Some of you guys send me. I don't know if you're up or down. We're just waiting on this damned ES. To break up back above 35. Also, I can't, John. I'm not even running them. I'm not running the originals. I cannot do 10 things at once. I as much as I'd like to. I have not run the originals in all last week or this week, nor will I. I cannot focus on getting guys funded, order flow trades, bot trades, what's going on, etc. Yeah, no worries. I stopped running them a week ago. I told you guys in the room I was no longer running the original settings. I cannot focus on the originals, guys funded, those that are trying to get funded, calling order flow trades and answering questions. I just can't. One or more of those will suffer. Man, I give up with this NASDAQ today, guys. See you tomorrow, Harold. Don't forget to send me totals, fellas. We're 2.5 minutes away from being done for the day. Is everybody green today? For my afternoon guys, remember, there is no afternoon today. We start tomorrow, June 1st. If you guys ask to be in the June 1st class or afternoon session, I've sent those invoices. Please remit them. Green is good. Yes, it is. You as well, Derek. Trial members, I only have 2 of you in this week. Either of you have any questions before we wrap up day 1? Any questions, fellas? Anything at all? All right, guys. If this son of a gun gets back above VWAP, your target is 60. NASDAQ needs to get above 35. We're consolidating just below VWAP. Took 3 micros above point of control and now funded. Chat. Yes. There we go. Another one. It's his 5th account. 5 funded accounts. Nice job. It's 9 funded traders today. Virtually everybody has multiple accounts. Buy side global. 1 funded trader. Chumps. Here's where we're stuck, guys. NASDAQ is stuck, waiting on this ES to get above 35, which it's struggling to do. Once it does, this goes. They both go. They're going to go in tandem. My levels are amazing. Here we go. Here we go. We broke it. NASDAQ broke VWAP. This is it. Come on, you got the level, dude. Come on. "15-minute swing high is 45. That's the next area. 45. That's the 15-minute swing. I think we get it. We're above VWAP. Buyers are coming in. Here we go. There you go. Got it. Got it. Can't make up the levels, fellas. Can't make them up. It broke the level. It's just pulling back in it. We're down to 2,500. 55 to 60 is next, fellas. 55 to 60. Bear with me 1 second. What moving average is above VWAP? On what time? I have no moving averages here. On what time frame? NASDAQ can trade all the way to 830. NASDAQ can go to 833. You know, no, that's just a line. I like it long. Let me look at it. Hang on a second. Let me look at gold. Yeah, gold is long. I'm not, again, I can't trade it. I can't trade it because I don't have an account to trade. Yeah, I'm still in this damn NASDAQ trade with a next target at 56. It's pissing me off. All right, fellas. I'm only holding one, so I don't really care what it does. My target, I got a target at 56, FYI. Trade them as you see fit if you're in it. We are top of the hour. We've got Europe gone in 30 minutes. Wouldn't shock me to see a pullback. But I'm trying to get 56. Yes, target next level up. We got to get to 42.50, which is value area high, 42.50. Above that, 50. If we can maintain 50, we're going 65. If we get above 65, we're going to get a rip. 4,200 again. All right, fellas, I'm wrapping her up. Good Tuesday. 9 guys funded. Congratulations. Trial members, thank you. I will see all of you tomorrow. If anybody has any questions, email me. Remember, there is no... Nice job, fellas. Come on, let's break this little area here and get me the 56 I'm holding for. Any questions, guys? Everybody made money today, right? Do I have anybody that did not make money? Is there anybody did not make money? Come on, NASDAQ. One more pop. Give me 56. There it is. Come on. Give me that 56. Come on. Oh. 55.75. Oh. Isn't that a kick in the ass? I'm out. Close enough. Nice job, Ian. I missed by a tick, fellas, on my target. All right, guys. Have a blessed day. I will see all of you at 8 a.m. tomorrow. No afternoon session today. We